I'm Mica Talmor, chef owner of Pomella restaurant in Oakland. Today I'm going to show you how to prepare this Mrouzia made with American lamb. Mrouzia is a sweet and spicy Moroccan dish. It's been made for centuries. Here at Pomella we draw from tradition, but we are not bound by it. For our variation of this dish, we wanted to lighten things up by using fresh grapes rather than raisins and adding some butternut squash for color and fun. This dish is traditionally made with lamb. The bold flavor of American lamb really enhances this dish and balances the sweetness of the grapes. Let's start by making the marinade. In a bowl, mix together a blend of canola and olive oil, ras al hanout, red wine vinegar, ground ginger, salt, and ground anise seed. Pour this marinade over the lamb and let it sit overnight. You can use any braising cut. Today we're going to use also buco style sliced shank. I love this cut for this dish because the bone and the bone marrow really intensify the flavor of the braise. Once the lamb is nicely marinated, sear the meat in a pot or a Dutch oven. Here at Pomella, we serve delicious modern Middle Eastern food made with local, seasonal, and sustainable ingredients, like local raised American lamb. Using local lamb is our way of supporting local shepherds and their families. Once the meat is beautifully seared on all sides, remove it from the pan and set it aside. Use the same pan to saute the onions in the lamb drippings until golden brown. Add the garlic and cook until aromatic. When the onion is golden, add the red wine or port as well as a pinch of saffron. Cook out the alcohol and then add the lamb broth. Return the meat to the pan, cover it, and braise for 2 to 3 hours. After the lamb is beautifully braised and tender, turn the oven setting to broil. Remove the cover from the lamb and let it broil for a few minutes. This will allow the sauce to thicken and the lamb to brown. To serve, mix the braised lamb with the roasted grapes and roasted butternut squash. Garnish with fried almonds and a little bit of chopped parsley. And here we go. We have American lamb Mrouzia. Combination of rich and tender lamb, aromatic spices, sweet and sour grapes make this dish a menu favorite. This variation of Mrouzia is our modern take on the dish that makes it light and fresh and a little less syrupy than the original.